Hi, hello everybody. This is your Srinivas. Welcome to Srinivasa Academy. నేను మీకు ముందుగానే ప్రామిస్ చేసినట్టుగా ఎవ్రీడే ఒక షార్ట్ కట్తో మీ ముందుకు వస్తానని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అదే విధంగా ఈరోజు కూడా ఒక అద్భుతమైన కాన్సెప్ట్తో ఒక అద్భుతమైన టెక్నిక్తో మీ ముందుకు రావడం జరిగింది. అదేంటో చూసేద్దామా? డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ 3 points ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈజీ. Subjective method, let us consider the general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. By substituting these points in that equation, we get 3 equations in terms of gfc. By finding the values g comma f comma c, we get the equation of circle in subjective method. But in an objective, the equation of circle passing through 3 points is given. Definitely they will give in options answer compulsory. It is just by verification we can get. No need to use any subjective method. Sometimes 4 points are concyclic or some other they will give. Okay. In that case, it is necessary to write equation of circle, and it is not easy to find the equation of circle in that subjective method. For such questions, one of the technique, okay, look at the question. The equation of a circle passing through the points origin 0, 0, capital A comma 0, capital B 0 comma B is. You observe the points, they are special. One of them is origin, other one is point on x-axis, and the third point is point on the y-axis. Very clear. 2 vertices, x coordinates same, 2 vertices, y coordinates same. Those 3 points together forms a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the triangle formed by 3 points O 0 0, capital A comma 0, capital B 0 comma B. Do observe that the equation of circle passing through these 3 points is nothing but the circumcircle of the triangle, formed by these 3 points. Okay, do observe. For a circumcircle, circumcenter is a midpoint of hypotenuse, circumradius is half of the hypotenuse. Okay, whenever circumcenter is a midpoint of hypotenuse, hypotenuse will be the diameter of a circle. Indirectly the equation of circle having endpoints of diameters a comma 0, 0 comma b. This is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. The equation of circle will be having x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as endpoints of diameter, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. That is x minus a into x minus 0 plus y minus 0 into y minus b is equals to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equals to 0. So this is the equation of circle. Easy to remember. In the equation of circle, x square plus y square will be common, and x coordinate of one of the point is a, that's why minus ax, y coordinate is minus by, which is equals to 0. Why this equation is free from constant term? Because of it is passing through the origin. So that's why equation of circle always will be free from a constant term. Let's move on to the next question based on this model. The equation of circle passing through the points 0, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 6 is, look into the question, same as above concept, but here points are 0, 0, a comma 0 is 4, 0, 0, b is 0, 6. Directly we can write the equation of circle. So the equation of circle will be, just now we have seen, this is a small a, this is a small b. We can use this as a result, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y is equals to 0. So this is answer. Sometimes they may also give, sometimes question may be given if the 4 points 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, k are concyclic, then k is equals to question mark. Okay. See, these 4 points are concyclic, means they lie on the same circle. See, however, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3 forming a right angle triangle. The circle passing through these 4 points is circumcircle of triangle. This is the circle also passing through the point somewhere 2, k. Then what is the value of k? In order to find the value of k, first to find the equation of circle passing through those 3 points. Then after substitute the 4th point 2, k. Okay. First, let us write the equation of circle. The equation of circle will be very simple. X square plus y square. This is minus 2x minus 3y is equals to 0. On this circle, 2, k is also a point. So 4 plus k square minus 4 minus 3k is equals to 0. Okay. 4 gets cancelled. Substituting that point, x square is 2 square 4. This is k square. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 3 into k is equals to 0. K taken out common, k minus 3. K taken out common, k minus 3 is equals to 0. So k is equals to 0 or k is equals to 3. This is also one of the option, but answer is k is equals to 3 only. If k is equals to 0, what will be happening? This is 2, 0. 2, 0 already one of the point given among 3. So this point cannot be coincide with this. Okay. So that's why, since k not equals to 0, therefore k is equals to 3, right answer. So this is the way to find the value of k. Next question. The equation of circle passing through the points 2, 3, 2, minus 5 and 4, 3 See, this is a very, very easy question in objective examination. Why? Because circle is passing through these 3 points means equation of the circle must satisfy these 3 points. Okay? We can identify the answer just by verification. But sometimes they may ask the radius of the circle. Options they will give 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units. Is it possible to verify? That's why it is necessary to learn how to write the equation of circle 3 points which are not in the form of 0, 0, A, 0, 0, B also. But there is a logic in the coordinates of these 3 points. Do observe, x coordinates same, y coordinates same. Such 3 points always forms a right angle triangle, as we discussed in our earlier videos. Orthocenter, circumcenter, etc. In that video we can see. Here, this is a triangle. This is a triangle whose orthocenter is 2, 3. This is 4, 3. Suppose this is 2, -5. Okay. Do observe that now the circle passing through these 3 points is nothing but circumcircle of a triangle formed by 3 points. Circumcircle of a triangle formed by 3 points. These 3 points. Okay. Circumcircle of right angled triangle is nothing but the circle having endpoints of diameter as ends of hypotenuse. Let it be x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now the equation of circle whose endpoints of diameter we know very well. The equation of circle x minus 2 into x minus 4 plus y plus 5 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 3y plus 5y 2y constant term plus 8 minus 15 plus 8 minus 15 minus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of circle. Sometimes they may ask us to calculate the radius of the circle passing through such 3 points. Let's discuss one model. The radius of a circle. The radius of a circle passing through the points 5, 3, 5, minus 2, 7, minus 2. Okay. Do observe that in the given 3 points, x coordinates are same, y coordinates are same. Those 3 points together forms a right angle triangle with orthocenter equal x coordinate equal y coordinate. Okay. Somewhere here 5, minus 2. Whichever you like. This is 7, minus 2. This is 5, 3, sorry. Okay. Now, the radius of the circle passing through these 3 points. This is the circle. Somewhere here circumcenter. This is radius. Here, in a right angle triangle, radius of the circumcircle is nothing but half of the hypotenuse. Circumcenter is a midpoint of hypotenuse. Circumradius is half of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is capital A, capital C. Hypotenuse is AC. That's why radius of the circle is nothing but radius will be half of AC. That is a half under root distance between A and C. 5 minus 7 whole square plus 3 plus 2 whole square. Okay, this is half under root 5 minus 7, 2 whole square 4 plus 25 root 29 by 2. This is radius of circumcircle. Next, sometimes here actually if you don't know this concept, radius can be found by writing the equation of circle. In order to write the equation of circle, there is a lengthy procedure. 7 marks question in IP examination. So that's why it is dead easy. Without finding equation of circle also, we can calculate its radius. And we can also use this concept in the problems like if the 4 points, 4 comma 5, 4 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 2 and 1 comma k are concyclic, then k is equals to how much? See, such 4 points are given, such 4 points are concyclic, then k is equals to. We are having a condition for concyclic points, but whenever the points are of the form m1 comma 1 by m1, m2 comma 1 by m2, m3 comma 1 by m3, m4 comma 1 by m4, in each vertex, in each point, x comma y coordinates are multiplicative inverses to each other, then there is a logic. Product of x coordinates is equals to 1. But here, given 4 points are not in that form. But there is a logic. X coordinates are same, y coordinates are same x coordinates 4, same y coordinates minus 2. They together forms a right angle triangle. They together forms a right angle triangle. Okay. Capital A 4 comma 5. Capital B, this is orthocenter. Capital C 3 comma minus 2. Okay. And somewhere 1 comma k point is also there. This is a circumcircle. Somewhere on the circle 1 comma k. Suppose 1 comma k on the circle. We can write the equation of circle with endpoints of diameter. First equation of circle, the equation of circle x minus 3 into x minus 4 plus y minus 5 into y plus 2 is equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 7x minus 5y plus 2y minus 3y, 12 minus 10 plus 2 is equals to 0. But 1 comma k lies on this circle. We get, substituting 1 comma k point on this circle, 1 plus k square minus 7 minus 3k plus 2 is equals to 0. This is k square minus 3k, 3 minus 7 minus 4 is equals to 0, which is k minus 4 into k plus 1 is equals to 0. K is equals to 4 or k is equals to -1. So this is the procedure to find k value when such 4 points are given. Here we can avoid finding the equation of circle. So without finding the equation of circle, we can calculate k value. So this is the advantage of this concept. Dear friends, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and leave a comment in a comment section to encourage me to do more and more videos for you. సో ఎవ్రీడే మీ ముందుకి ఒక మంచి షార్ట్ కట్తో వస్తాను. మీరు లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు. ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి మీకోసం మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ చేయడానికి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.